Hi everyone. Welcome to another SOLIDWORKS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D model of a pulley. Sketch a rectangle with a dimension of 100 by 40 millimeters. Create S circle with a diameter of 25 millimeters. Trim the top portion of the circle and top portion of the rectangle. Use revolve bows base command to create a solid part. Sketch a 60 mm circle and extrude it by 10 mm. Create the same to the other side. Sketch 2 circle with a diameter of 70 and 180 mm. Extrude it by 10 mm. Create the same to the other side. We will now add triangular hole. Draw a 170 diameter circle. Draw a connected line with the distance of the point 38 mm from the center. Make the angle 25 degrees from the center line. Add 5 mm radius to each corner. Use the extrude cut command to create a hole. Use circular pattern command to multiply the hole. Create a 30 diameter hole at the center of the pulley. We are now done in creating a 3D model of a pulley. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more of SOLIDWORKS tutorial.